Hello, welcome back to Story Chronicles. In this video, we will explore locate command in Linux, one of the fastest ways to find files across your system. Unlike find command, which scans the entire file system in real time, locate uses a pre-built database of file paths. That's why it's extremely fast. So what is locate? Locate command is used to search files and directories by name. Returns results instantly using an indexed database. So it's important to know the database is updated using updatedb command. Updatedb command. New files won't appear until the database is refreshed. So the basic syntax of locate, options, and pattern. Let's find file by name. Let's create one test file, test txt. Locate test txt. We need install locate in our system, so command locate not found, but can be installed with sudo apt install plocate. And let's clear our screen and locate test txt. And we see locate search all files name test txt across the system. Okay, but let's make update db sudo. Again, let's execute locate. Okay, we found our file. Yes, this is the file which I created. But across the system, locate found two files with name test.txt. Okay, why locate is so fast? Because it doesn't scan the disk live. It queries a cache database of files. So we updated our database with update db command. Let's execute our example with different options. Locate -e test.txt. This command displays only files that actually how we can limit the number of results. So we can do that with locate -l 3 *conf. This command shows only the first 3 matching of .conf files. So let's execute. And we see result. Let's clear our screen. How we can count matching files? We can do that by executing this command locate -c *txt, for example. And we see in our file system, in our Ubuntu Linux exist 1578 files with .txt extension. We can check .conf and we see 2757. So this command returns the total number of files instead of listing them. How we can search by case insensitive? We can do that by executing locate -i test.txt or this way or this way. Let's execute without it. And there is no result. This is case insensitive search. Finds matches regardless of uppercase or lowercase letters. So let's clear our screen. Let's create second file. Okay. Now let's execute locate second. So we see there is no output. Why? Because our database is not updated. We need to update that. So locate may not show result if database is not updated. Let's update database. Sudo update tb execute, and let's execute again. Locate, and we see result. We have found our second file. So that's it for the locate command. If you want to fast file searching in Linux, this is your go-to. Don't forget like, subscribe, and check out next Linux command. See you in the next one.